In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Trello. Whether you're cleaning up your digital space or saying goodbye to an old project, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to remove a workspace from your Trello account quickly and efficiently. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to your Trello account and that you're sure about wanting to delete the workspace, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. First things first, let's begin by logging into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website on your preferred web browser and click on the Login button. If you frequently use Trello, this step should already be quite familiar. Once the login box pops up, you'll see an option to log in with Google. Click on Google and then proceed by selecting the Google account associated with your Trello profile. This option allows you to skip entering both your password and email manually and makes the process much faster. After successfully logging in, navigate to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the Trello logo. Clicking on this icon takes you to your main Trello dashboard, where all your boards and workspaces are listed. Here's a tip. This area is the control center of your Trello experience, and familiarizing yourself with this space will definitely help streamline your workflow in the future. Now pay attention to the left panel where you'll see drop-down options for your workspaces. Click on your workspace drop-down. This area will list all the workspaces you currently have. It's essential to ensure you are looking at the correct workspace, so double check before moving forward. Once the workspace drop-down menu is open, click on Settings. The settings section is where you'll manage all the nitty-gritty details of your workspace, ranging from members to integrations. Settings areas in apps can often feel daunting, but remember that this is where you have comprehensive control over your workspace's functions and details. Scroll down through the settings menu and you'll come across an option that says delete this workspace. Click on this, but again, do make sure this is genuinely the action you want to perform. Trello will require one more verification step before finalizing this action. To confirm your intention to delete, the system will ask you to enter the name of the workspace you wish to delete. This ensures that you're performing the deletion intentionally and reduces the risk of accidental workspace deletions. Type in the workspace name exactly as you see it. Finally, click on Delete Workspace to complete the process. Once you've done this, the workspace and all its contents will be permanently removed from your Trello account. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted a workspace in Trello. It's that simple.